my friends. Today I'm with Alan. She's a professional athlete. And come here, Bea. We have an important condition today. We have a listhesis of L5, so the last lumbar vertebra and the sacrum. You can see the line is interrupted right here because we have a slipped vertebra, so we have a shift of this side because she broken the back side of the vertebra. It's a serious injury. Now we will make all our assessments and you can take off your socks and you can come here, please. Dove senti maggiormente dolore?
E tutta questa parte.
Ok, it starts more on this side, so the right side, and scende giù verso la gamba?
Non tanto.
Non tanto, fino a
No.
dove senti il dolore? We
No,
start from the low back
tutta fino a
pain.
qui e ogni tanto mi si addormentano i piedi.
Ok, sometimes we have some lack of sensitivity on the right foot and a little pain downward, so going down to the legs. And now, please, you can bend forward, ti puoi piegare in avanti, piano piano, ok, vai, 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 poi tornare indietro.
Anche perché così
Ecco.
mi dira.
She feels pain, so it hurts in this position. Please, lie on your back, ci mettiamo a pancia in su. Senti dolore se I lift up this leg?
Un pochino sì.
Ok, quindi senti dolore dietro la colonna che corrisponde.
Tutto sì, ma quasi fino al collo su.
Ah, proprio, ok,
Sì.
c'è una corrispondenza importante, ok. She feels pain during this positive test. E se facciamo da quest'altro lato?
Un po' meno.
Un po' meno, però lo senti comunque.
Sì.
Ok, we have positive test on both sides, mainly on the right side. Turn on this side, vieni da questo lato.
Così?
Yes. We start straight on the point. This is the spot. Yes, it's easy to find the spinous process because she broke the vertebra and here I found a depression and here I found the spinous process right there. So now I need to check a moment the condition of the listhesis. Ok, you feel pain under the pressure? Senti dolore?
Sì.
Sotto la pressione, ok. Yes, she feels pain if I apply a little pressure. Now, try to relax, cerca di stare super proprio rilassata.
Ecco, così meglio.
Ok. Now I need to correct the position of the vertebra. Drop your legs, lascia cadere le gambe. Ok. I need to open a little the space. Ok, relax. Don't worry. Ok, relax, relax. Good. Are you okay? Ci siamo?
Sì.
Brava. This condition is coming from a sport injury because she worked out in the gymnasium and then you have she applied too much strength on the movement. It was a squat exercise and then this was the result. Now relax. I need to work on the iliac bone, so relax. Good. Yes, we have the compensation right there. You can see? Show here where is the protrusion right of the bone. Now, pain. Dolore? A little? Prova a rilassarti un pochino. Brava. Brava, relax. Brava, lascia cadere, eh. Brava, bravissima. Ci siamo? Pain? Male? Male, eh? Ok, take a moment to rest. Yes, it's a little painful treatment today. This is the line, the correct line, and this is our sleeping vertebra. So it's an important listhesis.
Ah, oh.
Pain?
E i crampi mi vengono.
Crampi, yes. Cramps. We have some cramps. It's normal because it's a neurological disease.
Anche la notte.
During the night, so while she sleeps, it's the same. I need to check the last compensation of the pelvis. Okay, this is more easy, don't worry. It's easier than before. Relax. Ok. Good. Ci siamo? Questo è più facile.
Sì, quella di prima un po'.
Lo so. Ok. Now go on the dorsal area because we have 3 different curves. Okay, relax. Good, don't worry. One more. Okay, take a moment to rest. We have an important technique to do.
Ah,
Forward. Relax. Okay, easy. It's important to approach also the cervical spine because we need to reduce the pressure of the spinal cord. This treatment is linked with the lower side. Brava, fermo così. Relax. Perfect.
ah.
Good. Okay, more relaxed. Good.
Oh!
Ci siamo? Don't worry.
Madonna! Sono di stare senza testa.
Yeah. In Italy we used to say Madonna. Madonna is the singer. Famous singer. It's our Italian way when we are astonished to say the exclamation. Now I need to do something very important. So please lie on your stomach. We have the problem right here because this is the vertebra that slipped forward, and now we need to recover the vertebra in a backward position. So I already manipulated the last lumbar vertebra. Now I will approach the sacrum. In this case I will apply a pressure on the overarm side. You can see this is the sacrum, and I will make a good line for both vertebrae.
Quello è il punto che mi fa più male.
Yes, this one. Questo.
Sì.
I try to show you. Keep attention on my fingers. We have a normal line right here, right here, right here, and then here the vertebra come backward, so it's coming upward in my direction because she broke the vertebra, so it's coming outside from the line. In this way we need to work on the sacrum. Look my finger, look, I move my finger to recover the correct position of the vertebra. Piano piano, tu rilassati, relax. Don't worry, relax, relax, relax. One more, relax, release the muscle. Okay, yes, perfect. One more, don't worry, one more. It's important to turn on this side your head. Can you resist? One more? Okay. Ok, now I change side. Tutto bene?
Sì.
C'è dolore?
Un pochettino.
Un pochino.
Era meglio prima.
Ok, put down. Yes, yes.
Prima
Put down. Put down the arms. Ok, relax. Ok, we got it. Tutto bene? Solo la parte iniziale che è un pochino più forte. Ok, relax.
Ah!
Relax, relax, relax. Tutto bene?
Sì.
Ultima. Ok, now a little more on the upper side, just to reduce the pressure on the spinal cord. Good. Turn on the side, please. Okay. One more, relax. Ok, enough. Please, face up. Ci siamo?
Sì.
È stato forte un po', eh?
Mamma mia, che dolore.
She's crying because it was a
Eh.
little painful. Yes, it's normal. Okay, now bend your legs, puoi piegare le gambe,
Ok.
and you find the best way to turn and sit, la maniera migliore per
Sedermi.
sedersi, sì,
Ok.
in maniera sicura, quella che preferisci, siedi qua o di là, scegli tu.
Ok, di qua.
Di qua.
Sì.
Ci siamo?
Sì.
Aspetta un secondino, dobbiamo fare l'ultima tecnica, just the last technique, come a little backward, vieni dietro, vieni, so relax. Vai dire, ok. Relax, relax, relax. More relaxed, ok. Release more, lascia proprio cadere le spalle, proprio lasciali cadere tu anche con la schiena. Un pochino di più, brava, ferma così. Ok, more relaxed, ok. Ok, easy, brava. This
Sono
is
paura del collo così.
no.
Prima hai sentito,
Uh-huh.
però.
Before we heard a loud noise, but this is a occiput technique, so we don't need to look for a crack, but it's a stock, it's a very different noise. Okay, perfect. Now, get up a little, please stand up a moment. Ok, relax.
Ah, meglio anche. Sì.
Si sente subito leggerezza?
Sì.
Slider than
Prima
before.
quando facevo così faceva male. Invece.
Ok, now we will make again the neurological test. Facciamo anche il test di nuovo.
Ok.
Make a little stroll, cammina un pochino qua. Brava. And you can back. Ok, com'è la situazione?
Meglio.
Leggerezza.
Sì.
Ok, so
Tanto.
it's an important relief. Ok, she released now and lie on your back again, metti la pancia in su di nuovo. Ricominciamo, tu rilassati, ok? I lift up your leg, relax. Mi dici quando e se inizia il dolore. No, much better. So in this case we have a negative test. Do something different now. Make a flexion with your head, lift up, ok? Com'è la situazione?
Perfetto.
Ok, down. You remember there was a link with the spinal cord. Now it's a negative test, but I need to check also the other side. Com'è la situazione?
Come se non ce l'avessi.
Ok, in this case it's a negative test, neurological test, because there is no contact between the root of the nerve and the protrusion of the disc. So the vertebra in this case is setting the pressure on the nerve and then the following compression on the spinal cord. Ok, it's enough. You can see, ci mettiamo di qua, molto bene. Sono passati anche i grammi.
Sì, prima
Senti più leggero sulle gambe, no?
Sì, se
There are
facevo
no cramps
così,
now on the...
subito mi veniva.
Mhm. Much better. Ok, basta, finito, è stato un po' doloroso, però visto, ce l'abbiamo fatta.
Grazie.
It was a little painful, but it was a good treatment. The result was good. Raccontaci che altre sensazioni stavi sentendo.
No, leggerezza ai piedi,
Mhm.
non mi tira più la muscolatura qua mentre vado giù e
Ok.
poi anche questo movimento non riuscivo a farlo, e mentre adesso sì.
Okay, so we reduce the stiffness,
Cioè
on
più-
the back side of the both legs, and obviously we reduce the
Anche
lordosis
questo sono
because in this case we recover a lot. Yes, much better. And if you apply a flexion with your head, you feel
ti
less.
dava tutto, mentre
Mhm.
adesso è tranquillo.
Yes.
Cioè,
When you have difficult cases, you see, I really sweat a lot because.
We were so serious.
una giornata dalle
Difficult, but it was good. Ok, if you try to bend a little, che cosa succede? Tira di meno?
Sì, guarda fino a dove vado.
Okay, yes. She improved a lot also the bending exercise, absolutely.
Mentre prima già che tirava tanto.
Okay, in these cases it's very important after the treatment to sit, have a seat here please, mettiamoci seduti un attimo. It's very important to avoid, in this case it's not allowed to slide with our pelvis. It's very important to have a 90 degrees posture, because if we slide forward we have the don't do that. I'm just explaining. Yes. Don't do that, because if we slide downward and forward we have the slipped condition of the listhesis, so it's very important to avoid this posture. Just stay on the couch like this, on the chair like this, 90 degrees is very easy. Sometimes you watching the television, for example, you can use a puff like this, 90 degrees, so we have a break here, we cannot go downward, and then we relax and we are a comfortable condition to watch the television, for example. So it's very important. Now, stand up please. Was easy to stand up? Easy? Ci si è alzata bene, perfetto?
Sì.
Ok, allora ci siamo. Now is the official way to say goodbye. So, 1, 2. Ciao, grazie.